Our first salary is always special. But what exactly should we do with it? How much to spend? How much to save or invest? Hi, I'm Neha Singh, founder of Womoneysta, a women-first financial wellness platform. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to structure our first salary. You see, our first salary is not just about money. It's the first step to financial freedom. And that is why having a plan is super important. So in this video, step by step, we're going to get started with getting a plan for our money. The first step is to have two bank accounts. One is the account in which your salary is already coming. Let that be your spending account. The second one should be a new account which is called your savings or your freedom account. This is where you should automatically transfer 20 to 30% of your salary every month. Now let your emergency fund come from this other account. Even your SIPs or any other investments should be scheduled from your savings or your freedom account. I seriously recommend automating the transfer in the first week where your salary comes from your spending account or your salary account towards your savings account. Let's talk about spending. Of course, you deserve to treat yourself, and now you have that 70 to 80% money in the spending account to indulge in whatever you want guilt-free. But here is a pro tip. Right from your first salary, I suggest you start category-wise budgeting. Write down which are the major categories, be it rent, groceries, shopping, dining out, which are those categories where you're spending money. And do this for the next 6 months to observe the patterns that you follow. You can use online apps like Axio, simple Excel sheets, or you can also lean on Womonista's budgeting tracker, the link of which I've given in the description below. Before talking about investments, I want to talk about health insurance. Make sure you check the health insurance cover that you have from your company. Does it just cover you, or can you also add your family members? Separately, keep an insurance cover for yourself as well, which might just cost you 1,000 or 2,000 every month. You can compare various options on platforms like Policy Bazaar and take the one that suits your budget and also fits your requirements. Finally, when it comes to investing that 20 to 30%, I seriously recommend working and learning about mutual funds. Within the world of mutual funds, you can create a diversified portfolio. You can pick one safe debt mutual fund, which will give you stable 6 to 8% kind of returns. You can then even pick a gold fund to add to the diversification. And finally, you can do an SIP in equity mutual funds like large cap, mid cap, or small cap funds. You can work with our team at Womoneysta to get guidance on which fund could be the right fit for you. So here was your game plan with your first salary. Save first, spend wisely, and start investing early, because it is not about how much money you earn. It's about how much money you keep and grow. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.